On this video lesson, we're going to be learning how to add integers using a number line. You need to see on a number line, right on the zero and the right side of the zero, there are all the integers that are positive, while in the left side of the zero, all the integers that are negative. On this addition in particular, we will start in the negative side. So you need to draw an arrow pointing to that side. Start in the zero, and then you go -1 and -2. You stop right there. Then, as you're adding +6, you need to draw an arrow pointing towards the positive side. You make sure that you align wherever you stop, in this case, -2, then you move 6 spaces to the right. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and +6. So as you can see, you just landed in +4. So -2 plus 6 is +4. Pause this video and try this one. Very good. As you can see, this time we're going to start with +7. So I'm going to draw my arrow starting on 0, okay? And I'm going to move towards the right 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll stop there. Now I need to go -5. So I need to go to the left. I draw my arrow where I stop. This case is +7, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. And I just landed on +2. So 7 plus -5, it's equals to +2. Pause this video and try this one. As you can see, this example will start with -5. So I need to go to the left. Draw the arrow starting on 0 and go 5 times to the left. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Stop. Now I need to move towards the right to the positive side 12 times. So put the arrow right where you landed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You just landed on +7. So -5 plus 12 is +7. Have you noticed that when you have more positive, your answer will be positive? Look at these examples. In -2 plus 6, the blue arrow or the positive arrow is longer than the red arrow. So there are more positive, and your answer was positive. The same on 7 plus -5. The arrow for 7 is longer than the arrow for -5, and you landed on 2. And -5 plus 12, look at the arrow for the 12. It's so much longer than the arrow for the -5. So there are more positive. Now, I would like you to try this example. Pause the video and try it out. Okay, so in this case, I am going to start with +3. So the arrow that I'm going to draw will start on 0, but will move towards a positive land 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. I landed right in there. Now I need to add -9. So my arrow will be pointing towards the left. I line up where I ended in 3. So I go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and -9. So my answer is -6. So as you can see, +3 plus -9 is equals to -6. Now I would like you to try this example by yourself. Pause the video. As you can see, we're going to start with +9. So you need to draw the arrow pointing to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to add -10. So we need to draw the arrow pointing towards the negative side, but we need to start right where we stopped. That this time was +9. Let's see. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. So your answer is negative 1. So 9 plus negative 10 is negative 1. In case you haven't noticed, when you have more negative, your answer will be negative. Take a look at these examples. 3 plus negative 9. As you can see, the arrow for the negative number is way longer than the arrow for the positive number. And the same example for 9 plus negative 10, the arrow for the negative 10 is one space longer than the arrow for the positive 9. Take a look at this example. Please pause the video and try. Yes, you got that right. We're going to do two negative numbers. So negative 4, I will start with negative 4. So draw the arrow pointing towards the negative side. Remember, line it up exactly where the 0 is, okay? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Now, as we're adding, you need to add negative 2 exactly where you landed the previous arrow. So it will be negative 1 and negative 2. So negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6. Well done. Now I would like you to pause the video and try this other one by yourself. Yes, we're adding numbers with the same sign again. So negative 4 will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. You see, pointing to the negative side. Now I'm going to add negative 5. Let's see. There you go. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So your answer is negative 9. Negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. Did you notice that whenever you have both of the numbers in a negative, your answer will also be negative? Look at the arrows. Yes, you landed in the negative section. Now I would like you to pause this video and try this one. Yes, both of the numbers are positive. So we need to start in the positive side. So let's see, 1, 2, and 3. Now you need to add 5 positives. So you put the arrow right where you landed on 3, positive 3, and you add 5. Let's see. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is correct. Your answer is positive 8. Let's try another example. Remember, pause the video and try it by yourself. Let's see. In this case, both of my answers are positive. Positive 1. Now I need to add positive 6. So you put the arrow right where you landed and continue because we're joining them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, your answer is 7. Positive 7. Something interesting to notice is that when both numbers are positive, your answer will be positive. Look at these two examples where the arrows were positive, pointing to the positive side, and your answer was positive.